happy Sunday. So this is something that I really wanted to make sure I did more of in 2018. So we're gonna start today. I'm gonna share with you guys my makeup of the day and actually share with you guys the products that I used. So this morning, to kind of prep the under eye area, I'm trying out the Ordinary Caffeine Solution. Primer today is the brand The Ordinary, and this is the High Spreadability Fluid Primer. I mixed a pump of, this is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. This is in shade number 1.2 YG, and then I mixed 2 pumps of 2.1 Y. I set it with the IT Cosmetics by Pores Illumination Powder. Don't mind my nails because they are pretty bad right now. Concealers today, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And then I mixed some of the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin. I use Bad Habit Royals eyeshadow palette, which is basically a dupe of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. They're so beautiful, right? This is what I used to prime the eyes, LA Girl Pro Primer, because I did a little bit more of like a, kind of like a cut crease. Brows, of course, are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark, or no. Yeah, dark brown. Blush today, I went with a blush I haven't used in a while. It's from ColourPop. It's called Tasty. It's one of the Super Shock Cheeks. It looks like this, so it's like a peachy kind of blush. Highlight is from Pop Beauty, Prismatic Pop. This is in the shade called Gilded Light. It's so gorgeous. Here is what it looks like. It's super pretty on the skin. I was really surprised with it, actually. And then contour, I used the Lorac Pro Contour Palette, mixed in medium, a bit of a deep contour, like a really slight hint of deep contour. To bronze up the face, I used the Too Faced Soulmates in Ross and Rachel. And then I set it with the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. It smells really good. It smells like cucumbers. And it is from Flower Beauty. Been testing this one out since last month. Sorry, my eyes are watering because kind of poked my eye. I lined my bottom waterline with a liner from Urban Decay called, I think it's called Cowboy. Lashes are my favorite. They're Esquito with Esquito Lash Glue. And here is, I think the lighting is like really, it's really harsh, but here is how the makeup looks. And here how the eyes look. Hopefully the eyes look okay. Lippy is the Ultra Satin 951. One of my favorites from ColourPop. So I have got to go now. I don't have time to even do my hair because I'm gonna go have dinner. I'm gonna go have lunch with a friend, and I will take you guys with me. We're here at the Oaks Mall in Thousand Oaks. I'm going to meet my former coworker. We're gonna have lunch at Red Robin. I haven't been to Red Robin in years. Literally the last time I went to Red Robin. Okay, so as I was saying, the last time I went to Red Robin, I got so sick of the, I think it's called the artichoke dip, that I never wanted to go back and eat there again. So I think that had to have been probably about 14 to 15 years ago. So it's been a very long time. I was watching Melissa Parada this morning, and she was saying that they have a really good veggie burger, so I'm probably gonna try that. But yeah, anyway, let's go have lunch. It's already noon. Here at Macy's. We're kind of just walking around because we're kind of like walking off the food, which is essentially what you should do. We didn't really eat like super fattening food, but our dessert, which was the croissants, those were fattening. They were good, but they were like mini. Found a couple of good deals on stuff. I want to film like a mini small haul. I feel like I haven't really filmed one of those in quite some time, so maybe when I get home probably film. We are currently at Jamba Juice. Darren got Strawberries Wild. I got a Lotta Horchata. Good morning, happy Monday. So we're starting with the 21-day fixed eating plan. So for breakfast, I have a banana. I have half of an English muffin with almond butter on top. And then for my lunch today, I'm having, it's a egg white scramble with some spinach, grape tomatoes, and we have some broccoli carrots and lemon for garnish. What's up, you guys? Happy Tuesday. I just finished filming a video which is going to go live tomorrow. It's in partnership with Fabletics, which I am so just thankful for having this opportunity to partner with them. Fitness is definitely on my list, like my top list of things to accomplish in 2018. It wasn't until I really made my vision board, which was last week, and I looked at the picture when I did the 21-day fix. It's basically a 21-day workout program where you have a specific way of eating, limited to like certain types of food, but when you go out to eat, you know, you can still have, say, a piece of pizza. You just have to really watch your quantity. I'm gonna actually link that like up here in the corner if you guys are interested in checking it out. But when I looked at that picture, which I'm also gonna put here on the screen, my before and after results were pretty, I mean, some people thought it wasn't that big of a difference, but for me, I thought it was a big difference. And honestly, I want to get back to that weight. You guys will see. I'm going to have a whole video on it, like a what I eat in a day video or like what I eat in a week video. It's definitely something that I want to work on this year, and I want to get back to that same maybe not the weight, but I want to get back to that same like frame how I was. Good afternoon, you guys. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I'm heading over to Best Buy. Oh, shoot, hang on a second. I'm gonna go pick up my MacBook laptop sleeve. I'm just really excited because I was really scared that I was just putting it in like a little canvas tote bag, and I'm so nervous that it's gonna end up getting scratched or like cracked or something's gonna happen to it. And you know, it's my baby basically, so I need to take care of it and protect it. So we're gonna go check out the other Kate Spade cases. I already ordered mine earlier on my lunch break, but you know, but still I want to go check out, you know, the other options. So these are like all the way at the back of Best Buy, but this is the rose gold. What is this? Glitter laptop sleeve. It's alright, you know, I feel like it's a little bit, at least for me, oops, I feel like this is way too glittery for what I'm looking for. They also have this one, plain black. This looks really large compared to my MacBook. And this is the one that I went with because it matches my planner and my wallet. But still, it looks large. What is this for? It's for a 13-inch MacBook Pro. The advantage is that the padding is nice and thick, and the new MacBook Pros are super, super thin. So this is definitely going to give it a lot of cushion, and I'm going to feel extra secure. Wanted to kind of revamp my little desk area as well as my vanity area and like filming space. It's the ever evolving firefly lights. I kind of just strung them around again, the vanity and right along my little vanity table, around my vision board, and then right here right through my desk. It's not all complete, it's still a little bit messy, but sometimes just changing things up just clears your mind, gives you a new like headspace. Changing things up can really get you in like that mindset, like a better mindset, and plus it's a new year. So good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. It has been a few days since I've chatted with you guys, so we're kind of like, I know I'm behind and I haven't vlogged, so I'm going to update you guys with what's been going on. I think the last time I talked to you guys, I had shared with you that I changed up the little, the ambiance of my workspace and my beauty area, or not beauty area, my vanity table. So I changed up the firefly lights, kind of just strung them around instead of having them all kind of structured like up here on the wall. So I like the way how it looks because once everything is lit up, it kind of creates this whole ambiance for my workspace and vanity table area. Plus we still have the firefly lights above that are like up above us. So I love the way how it looks, and it just changes up everything. This week has been super crazy just with a lot of things that have been going on in general with just my personal life and you know, my whole journey, but let's just put it this way, and I know I've been saying it like for the past couple weeks, past couple months, things are changing. You know, things are changing, and you know, it's a slow progression, but I think, you know, just like anything, things happen for a reason. And even though this progression it's a slow process, it's all slowly coming into place. So really good thing, and I'm excited. So I just finished filming my Ipsy bag unbagging, which should already be up by the time you guys see this vlog. I actually have to run over to the bank really quickly, and then I'm going to edit the video and then upload it, and then I'm also going to go run some errands because today I have to run my errands. But I will be back in a little bit, and we're going to start to editing. We're going to get to editing. We're heading over to Dunkin Donuts. This is not a good thing because I'm on like my whole fitness journey, but I don't know, it's okay. We're just gonna get coffee, maybe share a little something. I took out my lashes, so I think there's like a little space in between, but it's okay, it's all good. Let's go get some Dunkin Donuts coffee. So I ended up getting a cold brew with creamer, no sugar, but I am gonna have one of these little guys. What are these called?
Chocolate glaze munchkin.
Yeah, the munchkins. I'm gonna have one little munchkin for my treat this week. We're heading over to Target. Haven't been here in a hot minute. Dang. This is the most I've seen. They have so many cute little things here. I really like this jar, but what would I use it for? So cute. Let me just quickly share with you what I ended up getting at Target. This was very unexpected, by the way. I happened to pass by like their whole area where they have, hi, that's me, where they have all of the, what is this called? This is the Project 62 line, and it's marble. The bottom part is marble. Has like this, let me show you what it looks like without all this stuff here. So that's what it looks like, and here is the mirror right here, and I just put my lights around it, and it's perfect for my little area. I still will have another mirror because this one's just kind of like the all-around mirror, but I still have this one for like close-up because my vision is not that great, and I need something where I can see it like up close. Price is $34.99, which really isn't bad at all. Plus it's marble, it's like real marble, so it's heavy, and I love, you know, it's gold, and it just kind of complements the area. Let me share with you really quickly what it looks like from afar. So this is what my little space looks like. It's perfect. I'm super happy that I found it. I think that is it for the vlog for this week. I hope you guys had a really great week. If you guys have Monday off, I hope you guys have a really great Martin Luther King Day. What else was I gonna say? I think that's it. Go ahead and end the weekly vlog there. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing week, and we will see you guys next week.